Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Now, I have been getting like a million messages on Facebook and Instagram about collecting poppy seeds. And first and foremost, it's still a little bit early, okay? But I want to show you really quickly what the difference is between a ripe seed pod and a not ripe seed pod, and encourage you to wait a little bit longer, okay? Because I'm gonna do a full-on tutorial on how to collect your own poppy seeds, all right? I've been doing this for 20 years. There is zero purpose in collecting poppy seeds early. Literally zero purpose, okay? I don't know how to be clearer. When it's time, I will show you. But because I have been getting absolutely inundated with messages, I am making this video to help clarify the process. All of these pods, these are all unripe poppy seed pods. You guys, stop. Do not cut them down. Do not pull them out. If you want to collect seed for next year, these are not the stage in which you will be able to achieve that goal. These are not ripe at all. It's too early, literally. Okay, so there's only a couple of pods on my plants that are ready for collecting. And do you see the difference? They are tan. They have these little holes that open up, these little like apartment windows that open. You see the contrast? These don't have those openings, and these are still green. They're literally still green. You need to wait until your pods are actually tan. That means the seed are ready to come out. And honestly, at this stage, they're still not all ripe in there. So you could cut these. I'm gonna sacrifice one. And you see, there's some seed that comes out, but it's tiny and it's immature. It's not ready. It's not time yet, you guys. I'm sorry, but patience is a virtue, and you're going to have to learn to accept that reality. It is not time for you to gather poppy seeds yet. You've got to give them at least another few days. Realistically, here in North Carolina, we have really cold weather coming up. Like our high on Sunday is 66 degrees. That's insanely cold for this time of year. It's gonna be probably a week or more before your poppies are ready to be harvested. Just wait, okay? Just wait. I can't supply everyone who's interested in poppies. I just have I'm only growing poppies on the equivalent of a quarter acre, okay? I can't supply everyone's poppy needs. So I need for those of you who are growing poppies yourself to not get so impatient that you can't just let the plants continue to mature. This is what they should look like, and you haven't done anything wrong. Just wait a little while longer, okay? Okay, if you can't tell by my tone, I am exasperated from the amount of messages that I'm receiving about collecting poppy seeds. Now, sure, some of you live in warmer places and maybe your poppy seeds are more advanced than this, but mine aren't. I am going to give you advice from where I live, okay? Because I want it to be authentic and real, and that's the whole point of my channel, okay? I'm not trying to prove anything to anybody. I know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna give you good advice. Just chill out. The poppy seeds aren't ready, okay? Don't pull them out. You're not gonna have any seeds that germinate. If you pull your poppy seeds and they're immature, they aren't going to grow next year. So just take the weekend off, okay? Just relax, enjoy Memorial Day weekend. I plan to do the same. I am keeping my fingers crossed that we are going to finally get some rain in Fuquay Varina, where we have had zero rain, and I've been running my sprinklers like 14 hours a day because it's so incredibly dry. But I promise you, I am going to post videos when the poppy seeds are ripe, I'm going to show you exactly how to harvest them, how to keep them through the summer so that you can grow your own seeds for the following season. I've been doing this for 20 years. These poppies are not ready, okay? So just chill out. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. I look forward to giving you more advice on poppies when the season is appropriate.